Okay, for the case 2, as I explained you in the case 1, case 2 is s is equals to 0 and r is equals to 1. First we need to apply the values of r and s, as r is equals to 1 and s is equals to 0. Our qn plus 1 is equals to, that is qn plus 1 is equals to r plus qn bar whole bar. That is, as we know, r is equals to 1, so 1 plus qn bar whole bar is equals to 1 plus something is 1 bar, that is 0. So qn plus 1 is equals to 0. Without knowing the values of qn, our output, that is next state output qn plus 1 is equals to 0, which is the reset condition, when s is equals to 0, r equals to 1, qn plus 1 is equals to whatever may be qn plus 1 is equals to 0 and 0, which is the reset condition, and the third case is s equals to 1 and r equals to 0. For this case, the same, apply the inputs at the gates. R is equals to 0, and S is equals to 1. So for the formula of qn plus 1 is equals to r plus qn bar whole bar, and our r is equals to 0 and plus qn bar whole bar, that is 0 plus something qn bar whole bar, which is qn. We didn't get any value in this case of qn plus 1. So to find the values of qn plus 1, we can also derive the formula for qn plus 1 bar, which is s plus, the second input is coming from the qn, so the formula for NOR gate is s plus qn whole bar. That is, actually we know the values of s, that is 1 plus qn whole bar, 1 plus something is 1 bar, which is equals to 0. As qn plus 1 is equals to 0, this implies qn plus 1 will be 1. So this is the set condition without knowing the values of qn. So that is, in the truth table, qn plus 1 is equals to 1. Without knowing the values of qn plus 1 will be 1. This is the set condition, this is the no change condition. Finally, for case 4, s equals to 1 and r is equals to 1. R is equals to 1 and s is equals to 1. So apply the same values in the circuit. For qn plus 1 is equals to r plus qn bar whole bar. Actually r is equals to 1 plus qn bar whole bar, 1 plus something is 1 bar, that is 0. And if we find qn plus 1 bar also, s plus qn whole bar, that is s is 1 plus qn whole bar, that is 1 plus something is 1 bar, which is equals to 0. So observe here, you are observing here as qn plus 1 is equals to 0 and qn plus 1 bar is also 0. Is this possible? So it is not possible, as they are complements to each other. So I am considering this case as indeterminate case. Indeterminate condition which is occurred in the SR latch when S is equals to 1 and R is equals to 1. The same is writing in this truth table as indeterminate condition. So this is about the SR latch using the NOR gates.